Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to play wired controller on PC Fortnite. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Fortnite game. It is relatively simple because Fortnite lets you to use your native controller as it doesn't require any third parties to install any of the controllers. So what you need to do is just simply plug in USB port to the PC, and then all you gotta do is just simply open up your menu, then click on your settings, and once you click on settings, press or click select settings, and once you select settings here, all you gotta do is toggle between the option that says controller right here, and now here all you gotta do is just set up your controller as per your liking. You can set up your input, your quick weapon, your sensitivity, controller zone, foot controller, vehicles, tank settings, and etc. Now for some reason if your controller is not working properly, then what you can do is just simply right click on the Windows icon and then simply select device manager, and once you select it here, you'll get a pop-up box like this, and on the bottom of the bar the controller that you are using will display the name right here. And now all you gotta do is just simply right click on it, then update the driver, and then select search automatically for the updates, and the Windows will update the driver and fix the issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.